Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can spell your name using this planet Earth. It says the planet can spell your name literally this Earth day. You see your name written in landscapes captured by Landsat. So here's NASA's. You're just going to go to this web page. I'll put the link in the description box. So this says Landsat. You can enter your name or anyone else's name. I'm just going to enter Zor because I've been watching One Piece live action. Love it. Enter your name or anybody else's name, and it's going to spell their name using like landmarks, not necessarily landmarks, but like nature. So Zoro. And then you're just going to then press this to save. And this is what the picture will look like. And you can post it. And yeah, super cool. Happy Earth Day. A day late. It's fine. I think I'm 2 days late. I don't know when it actually is. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!